Login failed on Current Youth Fix. You tap on your Current Youth app, ready to check your balance or complete a transaction, but instead, you see login failed. It's annoying, but don't worry. The fix is usually quick and simple. Let's go through it step by step. First, make sure you're entering the correct login credentials. It sounds basic, but most login failures come from simple typing errors. Check that your email and password are correct, paying attention to uppercase letters, special characters and spaces. If you can't remember your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. You'll get an email with a secure link to create a new one. Next, make sure your current app is updated. Outdated app versions can cause compatibility issues, especially after new security patches. Head to your App Store or Google Play, search for Current, and tap Update if it's available. Then restart your device and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Current requires a strong and stable connection to verify your account details. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or VPNs. They can trigger security alerts that block logins. Instead, switch to a trusted network or mobile data. Till stuck? Clear your app cache or reinstall the app completely. Cache data can sometimes cause the app to misbehave. Reinstalling gives you a fresh, stable version without affecting your account or funds. If you've recently switched devices, Current may need to verify it's really you. Check your email or text messages for a verification code and complete the confirmation process. Lastly, login issues can occasionally happen when Current's servers are down for maintenance. These outages are rare and usually fixed quickly, so wait a few minutes and try again later. Once you're back in, enable Face It or fingerprint login for a faster and more secure experience. So don't stress when your Current Youth login fails. Few quick checks your credentials, updates and connection can get you back up and running in just a few minutes.